All right, and we're back. Thank you for watching, beautiful people. Okay, we are number 13. We stopped midway due to a bell, but we're back. I actually wanted to go through number 13 once again. I was able to find out a shorter way of doing it, so I wanna share that with you. Okay. Instead of doing it this way, I'm going to show you something. We can do root 3 r squared, and we can rewrite that as root 3 times root r squared. Now again, there's a secret 2 in here that undoes, the square root undoes a square. So we're just left over in the numerator root 3 times r. And I'm writing it like this on purpose. The denominator is 3 root 2r cubed, which we are rewriting as 3 times root 2 times root 3 cubed. And now, watch this. This is super cool. 3 times root 2 times r squared times root r. Now, this is super cool because if we multiply this together, we get root r cubed because r squared times r is r cubed. So we can break it up like this. And then, again, there's a secret 2 in here. We can cancel these out. So this is root 3 times r all over 3 times root 2 r times root r. Super cool. Okay, so then r and r gets divided out. Then we have root 3 on top left over. 3 times root 2 r, because there's a root r and root 2. And again, we have to get rid of our radical here. We have to make sure that we take care of the denominator. No radicals in the denominator. So then I'm going to multiply this top and bottom. We're going to multiply this top and bottom by root 2r. And the reason I'm doing that is because I want to get rid of this root. And if I multiply it, and I have square here, square root, it will cancel out. So then I have root 3 times root 2r all over 3 times 2r. Now I have this squared. So I have root 6r over 3 times 2r, because this is square, these undo each other. So I have root 6r over 6r. There you go. And I apologize for the previous video. I thought the other way was going to be easier. That was my mistake. But this is definitely much simpler, in my opinion, than what I was attempting in the previous video. My apologies. Okay, so the answer is C. All right, number 14. Number 14, rewrite each expression in a radical form. So this one here, we have n squared to the negative 1/3 power. This negative just tells you that every single thing here in this bubble belongs in the denominator. So I have 1 over n squared to the 1/3 power. We have a power raised to the power. So we have 1 over n. We're going to multiply these together. This is 2 over 1. So I have 2/3 here. So then we have 1 over, this is your power, this is your index. So we have 3 over n squared. All right, and I'm already seeing the answer, but I don't know if they want us to rationalize the denominator, okay? So let's see. I think that's it. So the answer is number C. Write each expression in an exponential form. So exponential form, we're going to just undo what we did on the previous problem. So we have 4 root n to the 5th power. So n, here's your power, here's your index, and the answer is D. The lucky number is D. All right, you guys, we just have a few more. We're going to continue that in the next video. Thank you for watching. If there are any mistakes, please let me know.